100% felt. Imported. Free black nylon carrying bag with heavy-duty two-way zipper double strap handle. New trays have 2 spring-loaded pins for a secure fit into the table. 8 player spots with cup holder and chip holder. Table measures 78.5 by 36 inches. Sport type, billiards. Top reviews from the United States. Pleasantly surprised. Really good value. I was skeptical given the price, but it is sturdy and heavy enough to stay put on the table. I bought this and a folding poker table. I wish I had bought 2 of these, given the price difference.